545 Blendwood, padlock renovation. Got more power checking your appliances. Scratches and surface scratches on the wooden floors throughout. Needs to be checked out. A few black markings, nails, and nail holes throughout the unit. Some of the trim is going to need to be painted if it doesn't come clean. Color is salted tin. And a large trash out, miscellaneous trash, furniture, TVs. All the appliances are going to need to be clean. Carbon work. Sink stopper works. Toilet paper holder is tight. Toilet seat's loose and needs to be repaired. Recaulk the toilet. And the back too. No scratches on the floor. Mattresses and box springs, TV. These are going to need to be swept off the back porch. So I'll check them out first. And it does have this. Pretty much ready.